Hello, and welcome to this video on forces. Forces are pushes or pulls that can change the shape, speed, or direction of an object. There are many types of forces in the world, such as gravity, friction, tension, and air resistance. In this video, we will learn about some of the basic concepts and examples of forces. First, let's talk about what a force is. A force is a vector quantity, which means it has both magnitude and direction. The magnitude of a force is measured in newtons, N, and the direction of a force is shown by an arrow. For example, if you push a box with a force of 10 N to the right, you can represent it by an arrow pointing to the right with the label 10 N second. Let's talk about how forces affect motion. According to Newton's first law of motion, an object at rest will stay at rest, and an object in motion will stay in motion, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. An unbalanced force is a net force that is not zero, which means there is more force in one direction than another. For example, if you kick a soccer ball with a force of 20 N to the right, and there is no other force acting on it, the ball will keep moving to the right with a constant speed. However, if there is a friction force of 5 N to the left acting on the ball, the net force will be 15 N to the right, which means the ball will slow down. Third, let's talk about how forces can be added or subtracted. According to Newton's second law of motion, the net force acting on an object is equal to its mass times its acceleration. This means that if you apply more force to an object, it will accelerate more, and if you apply less force to an object, it will accelerate less. You can also add or subtract forces by using vector addition or subtraction. For example, if you push a box with a force of 10 N to the right, and your friend pushes it with a force of 15 N to the left, the net force will be 5 N to the left, which means the box will move to the left. These are some of the basic concepts and examples of forces that we will cover in this video. In the next video, we will learn about some more types and effects of forces. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.